About to start sanding. We have to see what's up under here. 80 grit. This is already previously used, but it should be good enough. Well, I'm down here. It wasn't too bad. So since it's not too bad, we'll put some Bondo glass and fill some of those minor cracks and holes versus the body filler with fiberglass, like strands of fiberglass in it, mixed in together with some strong stuff. Good too. But it was pretty decent, like I said, so we just gonna fill the light in. Bondo glass. You get this from like Lowe's. I'm finished sanding. But when you're sanding, it's best to use a block over the sandpaper. It's much easier and it's easier to feather it in. Use this for the bigger area. Some people use the circle one. Okay. So the customer just wants the bottom done. So I'm not going to spray that. I'm just going to roll it. But this is the product I use. This is what I use. Polyglass 320. Off-white, Cola White. High gloss. So if you mix 10 ounces Cola White with, the next step will be the catalyst, which you want to put 5. So they make 10, 5. And then with the reducer, it just depends on where you're at in the area. You're going to use anywhere from 5 to 9. Just thought about it. Since I'm only rolling today, you wouldn't have to use the reducer. It's better just to leave the reducer out. It's going to dry much faster and it's going to be thicker. So you're just going to use the resin and the catalyst. And that's how you fix the bottom of the tub. Nice and smooth and white.